Home insurance in Schuyler, Nebraska. It is important to save your money while going for home insurances. Different ways have been found out for saving the money. The first method is going for free home insurance quotes. An additional is to keep away from definite errors that perpetually charge us a lot of cash. It has been found that the major error that people make while holding any insurance that invariably increases their charges is overexposure. Yes, it is if the worth of your strategy is to a great extent elevated than the worth of the residence being insured. The subject of overexposure in a home insurance strategy frequently takes place at the end of appraising the house to be acquainted with how much exposure you want. For a complete exposure, you require to take delivery of sufficient cash to reconstruct your house and substitute or recompense you for your affected residence stuffing when you construct a claim. This explains that your residence worth is actually the present reconstruct price. Many populaces, on the other hand, set out on to put in the charge of the ground to this, leading to the increase in the total value of the policy. Your premium is considered depending on this assessment, but your claim's resolution depends totally on advertised actualities. This explains that you will essentially be remunerated something you claim, as the assurance corporation has populace who would provide them the accurate price of upgrading the residence, and this is what you will get in the end. Therefore, it's essential to get as many home insurance quotes as possible. More errors that populace create is being in a hurriedness to decide a low deductible policy. People go for no deductible at all because they do not want to be troubled about any needless document work if he desires to formulate a claim. To reduce the monthly premium amount, all you need to do is to raise your deductible. This will lessen the premium. Lastly, the first step to seize if you would have a reasonably priced residence insurance exposure is receiving and comparing various free home insurance quotes before fascinating up a strategy, and if you have previously using up one, receiving and comparing these home insurance quotes from point in time to be convinced that you are receiving the most excellent agreement. One can get these insurance quotes from various sites, as it helps people in comparing the rates offered by different companies.